Okay, so this video is about how the brake light can be troubleshoot on an RX 100 or a 135. So I have already removed the two screws. So this is the bulb. So the bulb usually has two contacts here, and this is supposed to be ground, and usually that doesn't work. So what happens is I have given an extra ground. This wire is connected to the body. Then I have done this, and it goes inside and locks. 1 second. Okay, and then if you see, this is the other end of this wire. Okay, so let me just turn the ignition on. So I'm going to press on the brake light. The brake light works. Next is I'm going to start the bike. So now it is not working, so I turn the parking light, and this is the parking light, this is a brake. Okay, so if, let's say, giving an extra ground doesn't work, then what you need to do is you need to troubleshoot this connector. So just see if all the three wires are getting power. So this is the brake light, the main. If you see, it is coming out slightly, so it might come out like this. So what you need to do is just ensure that it is pressed into place. Okay, so once it is pressed, the brake light will work. Okay, so just check if all the wires are pressed properly and the connection is thorough. That's all you need to check. Okay, so I hope this video helps. Once again, just to show you guys, brake light works. Okay, so let's hope it helps. Thank you.